How would you like to get these same incredible results without dieting, without exercising, without pills, instantly? That's right, instantly. Now you can tighten your waistline, trim down your love handles, eliminate back bulges, and even improve your posture with Slim Tees, the incredible new slimming garment designed just for men that can instantly drop you up to 2 pant sizes and give you a slimmer, firmer, and younger looking appearance guaranteed. Now you have a secret weapon in the battle of the bulge. Just wear Slim Tees under your clothes, just like an undershirt, for these same instant results. And best of all, no one will know you're wearing it but you.
In 2 minutes, Slim Tees solved a 20-year problem. It's not hot, it's not constricting. You can really tell this was designed for a guy. I love it.
The secret is our 12 specially engineered structure panels. Slim Tees will tighten your stomach in the front, trim your love handles on the sides, and our specially designed crisscross back panel dramatically improves posture, giving you 360 degrees of superior support and comfort all day long. So you'll look, feel, and move with more confidence when you're wearing Slim Tees.
I was really surprised at how much it tightened me up and how comfortable it really was.
Wear Slim Tees anytime, anywhere, under suits, t-shirts, sweaters, dress shirts, polos, under all your clothes, and look inches smaller and pounds thinner.
The job market out there is really tough, and with the Slim Tee, I looked good, I felt good, and that's why I got the job.
Look slimmer, firmer, and younger instantly, guaranteed.
You know, I love the Slim Tee. I originally got it for back support, but I didn't realize it was going to make all my clothes fit better. It's like I've got a brand new wardrobe.